Welcome, everyone. Today we're diving into the creative world of MidJourney, where we're going to explore different art styles. Stick around as we'll be walking through some unique styles and showing you exactly how to generate stunning artwork with just a few prompts. And if you're looking for additional tips or resources, be sure to check out the pinned comment below. All right, let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with classical art styles. These styles, or this kind of style, is known for their mastery of detail, light, and texture, and with Mid-Journey, we can easily recreate their magic. Let's say we have the Renaissance, known for its incredible realism and emphasis on human expression. Renaissance art has been captivating audiences for centuries. Let's see how Mid-Journey, right here, can help us create a classical Renaissance style portrait. So, I'm going to use a prompt that focuses on detailed human expressions, soft lighting, and realistic textures, just like, for example, Leonardo da Vinci, this famous painter right here. This would have done back in the day, that is. I'll also tweak the stylization right here. So let's set it just to make sure we capture those delicate brush strokes. So how about make it, let's say, about almost high right here. Right here. So here it is. Once we got the prompt ready, let's send this over right now. And how about we go with fast? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. All right. So while we have to wait, just remember the texture on the skin has to be incredibly lifelike, just as based on Leonardo da Vinci's painting style, and the lighting need to be soft and natural as we're going to see in a classic Da Vinci painting. All right, so let's wait for a while. It might take a bit of a moment. All right, it's currently up there, and here we go. So, as you can see, Midjourney really nailed the detail here, especially as you can see the shading around the face and eyes. This is a great representation of Renaissance realism right here. See, look at the shades of the eyes, the details and everything. Pretty cool, I must say. See? Now, let's step into the world of modern and abstract art, styles that really push the boundaries of what art can be. Let's see how Midjourney handles this rule-breaking style. For this example, we're going to create an abstract portrait using Cubism. Think about how Picasso would depict a face, not just from one angle, but from multiple perspectives at once, all broken down into geometric shapes, that is. I'll also max out the weirdness slider right here, just to really push Midjourney to get creative and unconventional. So I'm going to put my prompt right here and use it that emphasizes abstract shapes, fragmented perspectives, and bold geometric forms. Right here, just as I stated here. So this should challenge Midjourney to break free of conventional portrait rules. Now, let's generate this bad boy and see how well Midjourney can break down this portrait into a series of angles, lines, and abstract forms. So now with the weirdness slider all the way up, I'm expecting something truly unique and mind-bending. Here we go. So this may take a while with the process and everything, right? This might take a bit while. All right, here we go. And wow, take a look at that. the portrait is completely deconstructed. My apologies for that. Exactly what we wanted that is. As you can see, how the figure is fragmented into geometric shapes with different parts of the face appearing from various angles all at once. So yeah, it can be quite chaotic yet beautifully organized in its own way. MidJourney really captured the essence of Cubism, giving us an artwork that feels dynamic and unconventional, just like the original movement. If you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Now let's move into the realm of contemporary and digital art, where creativity meets technology. In today's digital world, new art styles are emerging that are unique to the digital medium. For this example, we're going to create a glitch art portrait. Think of the kind of visual distortion you see on a broken TV screen, pixelated shapes, color shifts, and fragmented images, that is. Glitch art thrives on randomness, so I'm going to max out the, let's say, variety right here, and I'm also going to crank up the weirdness just to really push MidJourney's boundaries right there. And now, after this, I'm going to be crafting, then pasting a prompt that focuses on digital distortions, pixel breakdowns, and fragmented shapes, just to give us that chaotic, glitchy aesthetic. Right here in my prompt, yep. So let's see how MidJourney handles controlled randomness. Here we go. All right. So it's starting to generate right here. So with the variety and weirdness pushed to the max, we should get some wild, unpredictable results. And then here it is, as you can see. Look at that. There's some pixels right there breaking apart some of these art. Most interesting one, and the colors are all over the place, just as we wanted. So yeah, you can see how the image is fragmented, almost like it's glitching right in front of your eyes right here. Look at this one here. So MidJourney really captured the essence of glitch art here, turning digital errors into something incredibly cool and visually appealing, I must say. See? And that's about it for today's exploration of different art styles using MidJourney. With just a few prompts and the right settings, you can unlock endless creative possibilities.